Alright, all three of these are the same. I'll show you a few of the features on them. This is the top hopper inspection door. You can open that to check and see if anything got in there to plug the gates or just to see how clean things are. Below the inspection door is the screen gate indicator. It goes from 0 to 3. 0 is 100% closed. At 1, you're 1.5 inches open, which is what most of our units should flow full capacity at. At 2 inches, you're 2.5. At 3, you're wide open at 3.5 inches. Below that is the screen access door. You open that. No tools required, just latches on all units. That's where you can access your screens to change them from product to product. Simple hook and slide. They slide in a zigzag fashion. On the bottom, the top discharge hopper or under the door side is the clean grain, and the back discharge is the foreign material.